Hello creative! Let's draw this fun piece together. Start off by lightly sketching to determine your composition. And once you've finished your sketch, you can trace over it with a thin black pen. Trace over it lightly to create some really thin lines. Would you like to watch the real-time tutorial of this drawing? Then join the Bloom Creatives membership, where we have a library full of online art classes that will teach you how to draw and paint botanics with watercolor. I'll be your art teacher, Angèle Kamp, and I will guide you through each and every art piece step by step. I will show you the best materials to use, and as a fun bonus, I will also show you how I style and photograph my artwork. Are you interested in learning more? Then you can find the link to the Bloom Creatives in the description below.